Oh, hello, friends. It's with a humble heart that I, Aidan Wolf, do decide you were right. I, from here on out, will be pronouncing the L in Solder. I tried in vain to fight the onslaught of comments that I've been receiving from across the ocean, but in the end, in fairness to pronunciation and phonetics, I yield. However, with this announcement, I will also be requiring just a bit of an overhaul to a few other things. I'm sure you'll understand. You see, we can either decide to follow phonetics completely or not at all. So consider this my first round of recommendations of words we're all going to stop pronouncing improperly, so the anal among us may be free from worry. For starters, we'll be doing away with any and all silent consonants. As with Solder, was the root cause of the problem. That makes words like need and honor will now have to be addressed as kneed and honor. But we won't stop there. Uncurl your tongue a bit for words like receipt and asthma. Many common words will sadly have to be reimagined so that we can truly have no more issues among us. Zucchini loaf will no longer be as enticing, and words like thought, rot, and though may require further intervention from scholars and scientists to truly drill down that pronunciation. Stay tuned for that. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that riveting conversation. Truly, friends, this is a great moment. A final road to peace among us English speakers. And just one last jab before I go, but I hope this doesn't put our relationship in jeopardy. I'm immediately going to have to hear you pronounce Wednesday and February properly. I'm also going to need the world's armies to start saying this word properly.
You snotty little bastard.
Once that's in place, I shall join you hand in hand on the other side, and we shall unite in peace.